guys, today we are going to be making a HelloFresh meal, so stay tuned. So as you guys can see, we just received our HelloFresh box, so I am currently unpacking all the goodies inside. So first we have a manual #1 meal kit, and it just has how you can order, and it pretty much gives you what ingredients you will need during these meals. So today we are going to be making the crispy Parmesan chicken, and on the back it gives you all the steps needed in order to make your meal properly. So let's go ahead and take out all of our ingredients. So the thing that I love about HelloFresh is that they have these individual bags with the name of each meal. So we have some scallions, some couscous. We also have some green beans, 1 lemon, some Parmesan cheese, some roasted garlic herb spreadable butter, some smoked hot paprika, some panko, and some sour cream. Now that we have all of our ingredients laid out, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping up our scallions. Once you have finished cutting up your scallions, make sure that you separate from the green portion and the white portion. Now we're gonna move on to our lemon and cut it into quarters. Once we have finished that, we are going to go ahead and add some water to a pot and sprinkle some salt and let that come to a boil. Once your water has come to a boil, you're gonna go ahead and add your couscous. Once your couscous has completed, you are going to add some roasted garlic herb butter into a pot. I just added it into the same pot to minimize dishes. So you're gonna let that melt down. Once it's fully melted, you're gonna add your couscous back into the pan and mix it all in. Once you've done that, go ahead and add the white portion of your scallions, and you can add any seasoning that you prefer. Now in a bowl, you're going to add your pack of paprika, followed by your panko breadcrumbs and your pack of Parmesan cheese, and mix that all in with a half a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm also gonna add some seasoning, so I added 1/4 teaspoon of seasonal and some fresh ground pepper. Once you've mixed it in, we're going to start breading our chicken. So first you're going to spread some of the sour cream onto your chicken breast. Once you have evenly spread out the sour cream on both sides, you can go ahead and top it with the seasonings that we mixed in the bowl. Once your chicken is fully covered, I'm going to add my green beans to the same pan and season my green beans. For how I season my green beans, you can click the link above and visit my video on how I make my green beans. Once you have finished seasoning your green beans, you're gonna go ahead and pop the pan into the oven. And once it's done, this is what it looks like, guys. And when I say it turned out so good, I was very impressed with HelloFresh. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay? Bye!